Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda. I do vlogs, beauty, and refashioning videos. Wait lang, ganun ko ha. Nakadamit ako, okay? So for today's video, I am going to show you how I made this top. Yes, it is very cute yellow top. You can actually wear in different styles. Hindi lang ito yung style na pwede mo siyang isuot. You can also change it like ganito. You can make it as backless if you want. Here, I'll show you. Ganito. You can turn it into a backless. Or you can also wear it as a tube lang. Tube lang siya. Tapos may ribbon dito sa harap. Diba? Or yung one shoulder top. Diba? It's so cute. You can wear it like that. Or yung sando lang siya. Sando. Yung top lang siya. Yung typical top lang. Ganyan. Akin ang muscles ko. Ganyan. Like that. Or you can also do the chic one. If you guys want to know how I make this, it's so easy. Madali lang siya. And kailangan nyo lang humila. Gumana yan. Hila, tahi, hila, tahi. And then, boom! You'll have this one. So if you want to know how I made it, please keep on watching. Bye! Hi guys! So, I'm back at... Sorry, haggard ako. I was about to edit. Tapos, biglang na-delete yung file para dito sa video na to. So, yeah, ayoko masayang yung intro ko, yung pictures, yung effort ko sa naisipan kong gawin to. Please bear with me. Wala kang makikitang actual video of me doing the top. Pero i-explain ko na lang siya sa inyo kung paano ko siya nagawa. And sana huwag kayong mainis. I'm so stupid. Sorry na. So, yun. Let's proceed. So, the first thing I did in doing this top is nag-sketch muna ako kung ano yung idea na gusto ko para sa top na to. Originally, ang ini-sketch ko is ganitong top na garter siya dito, garter din dito, tapos garter din dun sa top, dun sa arms niya. Tapos, I actually planned on doing a wraparound skirt, but since yung fabric is medyo see-through, hindi ko na siya ginawa. Instead, gumawa na lang ako ng dress ni Brianna. Ito actually yung original na sketch ko. After ko siya ni-sketch, mineasure ko yung katawan ko, yung width, and then yung length. Yung measurement ng katawan ko is 35 inches. Inches to, nagkamali lang ako nilagay. And since magiging gathered top siya, lalagyan ko siya ng garter, dinoble ko yung size ng katawan ko dun sa measurement ng tela. So, naging 60 inches siya. Tapos, dun sa length niya, sa haba, is nagdagdag ako ng 2 inches para sa seam allowance.